how to fix WhatsApp call enable problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do, guys, is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading. After that, scroll until you find the WhatsApp, and when you find it you have to click on it. After that, you have to click on this option. It's called force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. After that, you have to go into the storage, click on it, and then click on clear cache. But please don't click on the clear data, because if you click it on it you will lose all the data that you have in your WhatsApp. After that, go back, and now you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and then click on this update option to update your WhatsApp into the latest version, because sometimes the problem is just from the latest update that you don't have. Don't forget to like, subscribe.